The drawing group includes tools designed for creating flat, planar shapes or lines that you can use as a foundation for more detailed modeling. The drawing tools are extremely helpful for creating unique objects. In my scene, I have a few cubes set up just to demonstrate how the drawing tools work. To get started, select the cube icon with the plus symbol. This opens the drawing group in the tool panel on the right side, in the same area where you'll normally find the primitive shapes and other tools. Starting with the polyline tool, once you select it and begin clicking in the scene, you'll see a line forming with each point you place. This is useful for many purposes, but one of the most common ones is creating a shape directly from the polyline. When you're finished, press Escape. From there, you can manipulate the shape just like any other object. Move points, select faces, extrude upward, inward, start forming unique geometry. Another helpful way to use the polyline tool is by drawing directly on an existing object. After selecting the tool, click on the surface of a mesh. The polyline will snap to that surface, allowing you to draw directly on it. Once your shape is created, you can extrude it off of the object and continue editing just like any other mesh. Next, let's take a look at the arc tool. When you click and drag in a scene, it creates 2 points. After releasing the mouse, move your cursor to define the arc and then click again to confirm. You can also draw arcs directly on a mesh, and then the new geometry becomes part of it. The rectangular tool works the same way. Just click and drag to create a regular rectangular shape. The disk tool also uses click and drag. You can adjust the number of segments on the properties panel. Just like the others, you can place a disk directly on an object's surface. The side stair tool creates a flat stair-like pattern. You can adjust the stair height in the properties and extrude from generated shapes afterwards if you need additional depth. For the parallel tool, start by creating a rectangle to demonstrate. When you select the tool and click on an existing line, it generates a new line parallel to the one you selected. Clicking different edges creates parallel lines in those directions, which can be very useful for precise work. Finally, the text tool allows you to create 3D text. In the Properties panel, choose your font and type the text you want. When you click in the scene, the text is created as a 3D object. You can select individual letters, move them, and extrude them just like any other mesh.